Nursery songs, we're ready to roar. Talking about T-Rex, the king we adore. The fiercest hunter from long ago. So let's stomp and sing, come on, let's go. I stomp, I roar, I shake the ground. Biggest meat eater all around. Teeth so sharp and legs so strong. I've ruled this land for so long. I'm T-Rex, I'm big and tall, 30 feet long, I can see it all. Short little arms, but don't be fooled with a massive bite. I overrule, my jaws are strong, my teeth can crunch. Hunting down food, it's dino lunch. I chase my prey, I'm super fast. One big bite and that's their last. My feet go boom with every stride. When I stomp, there's no place to hide. Dinosaur king, fierce and proud. My mighty roar is crazy loud. I stomp, I roar, I shake the ground. Biggest meat eater all around. Teeth so sharp and legs so strong. I've ruled this land for so long. In the jungle near and far, dinos ran when they saw my scar. With tiny arms and a giant chest. One big bite and that's their last. But long ago the world changed fast. A big rock fell, my time went past. Though I'm gone, I still live on. In books and songs and in your lawn. Fossils tell my story right. Of a dino strong with power and might. So if you hear a mighty roar, it's T-Rex time, let's stomp some more. Now you know the T-Rex way, the strongest dino of its day. Stomp and roar, don't miss a beat. Come back next time, more fun to meet.
Let's meet an animal who's big and strong. It splashes in rivers, stays cool all day. It's time for the hippo to come out and play. Henry the Hippo woke up with a wiggle, rolled in the mud with a snort and a giggle. He stretched his legs and wiggled his toes, then popped his nose up. Here he goes. He walked to the river with a heavy stomp. Each step he took made the ground go bump. He dove in deep with a bubbly swirl. This muddy spa is my favorite world. A bird flew down and gave him a peep. Henry, you snore while you're fast asleep. Henry just laughed and gave a nod. I dream of snacks in the riverside. At night he eats, oh yes, that's right. He munches on grass all through the night. 80 pounds in one big meal. Hippos love a grassy deal. Mama hippos guard their babies tight, swimming beside them day and night. The calf stays close and learns the game. In water world, it's how they train. If a croc comes near, Henry says back with a splashy charge and a mighty smack. Don't mess with hippos, they're chill, not weak. But mess with their nap and they'll show their streak.
Donkey, donkey, where do you go? Climbing the hills, steady and slow. Ears so long, tail so swishy. Carrying loads is tricky. Donkey, donkey, brave and strong. Clip-clop, all day long. Carrying bags up and down. Donkey's the best in the whole town. Donkey, donkey, what do you eat? Hay and carrot's such a treat. Clip, clop, who's go tap on your back? There's a heavy sack. Donkey, donkey, brave and strong. Clip, clop, all day long. Carrying bags up and down. Donkey's the best in the whole town. Donkey, donkey, strong and kind. You help everyone, you don't mind. Through the sun and rain you go. Donkey works hard, we all know.